Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put u equals to this one. Now we need to do first derivative. This one we have 2x. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Because we just have only x plus number 4. This one we have 2x plus number 8. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. This one with the x we change for the u over number 2. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.